So today has been one big game of Are You My Mother? Poor Sapling is lonely and he just cries out there. Sorry, not Sapling. That's Sapling. Poor Brightling is so lonely and he just cries out there. So I've tried putting him under the nesting Muscovies and not a fan. I tried to introduce him to the Muscovies that hatched him. They're not a fan. I tried to put him in with the nesting Ancanas. They're not a fan. So far he likes us and the dogs a lot. And he's just lonely. He should have imprinted a while ago on the little bunny. But he just seems so lonely in there and bored. So I'm trying to get him in with these guys. And they aren't loving him. Be nice to him. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, go back in, it's okay. No one's gonna hurt you, okay? Ducks are nice. Go. There you go. Be gentle with the little head. It's okay, you're okay. I really want him to get along with them, but I'm a little nervous about leaving him out here because some of the wiring isn't strict to the ground. You know? So he could slip under, over there. He could slip under if he wanted to. And we already had 2 of these guys fall into the pond. Luckily, they're tall enough that they don't drown, but he's too small. He's just eating plants. I don't know what to do with him, guys. I'm trying to get the other guys to hatch, and then maybe I'll abduct one of their babies and put him in with him so I'll have a friend, but none of their eggs are hatching, so... Heh. He's chasing bugs. Muscovies are good at that. Get away from me. That's him hunting. That's how he hunts flies. Isn't that cute? Every time I hear someone be like, I wish dinosaurs still existed, I'm like, get a duck. You watch the little ducklings hunt, and they are 100% dinosaurs. See? Oh no, he's through the fence. Okay. It's don't tell me you already found a way out, you little... Get him. Be nice to him. It's okay. You're good. You're good. Go, buddy, go. Be nice. It's okay. You're okay. They're not actually going to hurt you. So ducks will do this. Go back in. Go back in. The really fun thing about them is that they don't actually usually hurt each other too bad. See, he doesn't actually want me to pet him. Like, he's not like... He just doesn't want to be alone. Or picked on, obviously. Hey. Yeah, get your head back in there. Or I'm gonna pet you. There you go. You guys gotta be nice to him, okay? He's a friend. Go back in. You're okay. I'm not gonna let them actually hurt you, just for the record. They don't really hurt each other. They're much nicer to each other than, there you go, than chickens are. Ducks generally aren't like super aggressive. Go on, go. Come on guys, be nice to him, be nice. You're letting him closer now. This is going to be a 15-minute video of just my duck walking around. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, so what we've ended up doing with Brightling so far is I just kind of like added some stuff to his box so that, sorry, that's my dogs. I put some pulled up Creeping Charlie in there and then some mealworms. That's it. So anyway, I put some mealworms and some Creeping Charlie in there so that he can like dig through the Creeping Charlie to find the mealworms and I don't know, gives him something to do. And then he's got his bunny to snuggle. And I put in a little feather. Maybe it smells like the other ducks. I don't know. I'm just trying to make him feel less lonely. And he will start getting supervised time out with the big ducklings. But they're not quite ready to accept him as a group, so I need to be out there with them to make sure they don't won't really hurt him, but they'll give him a good scare. I don't really want that. And yeah, hopefully we get some more ducklings soon, and I might be able to steal a baby and toss it in with him so that he has a little friend. So, I don't know. That's how we're doing so far. So thanks for coming along with Brightling's Are You My Mother journey. We'll see you guys later this week. Oh, sorry. Honora decided to join me over here. Again, our wedding is coming up, so if I am low on content, it's because I'm overwhelmed. And we were prepping, so anyway, hopefully we'll see you guys again later this week. Fingers crossed it's with more Muscovy babies. And we also should sometime this week have the official genders or sexes of our Ancona crew. So we have one solid quack that I know is a girl. I won't tell you who yet. And I think, and I'm hearing 2 other quacks coming in. So that leaves 1 without a quack. So I should, if their quacks solidify a little bit this week, I should have their genders ready this week or next week, and we will do that video, which also means I know which ones we're keeping. So I will also be doing the entry video for our Name a Duck, virtual Adopt a Duck competition for our 200 followers. So anyway, we'll see you guys later. Have a great day / weekend. Okay. Bye, everyone.